Let's not waste any time and dive into this week's alarming feature product, the 7-way adapter with backup alarm by Reese Towpower. Backup alarms are an essential piece of safety equipment when on a work site. But once you're backing into the driveway at home, it can be pretty annoying to you and your neighbors alike. Many folks run cables through the vehicle with an on-off switch in the cab, but that's a bit of a pain and a very permanent solution. This handy little gadget from Reese Towpower couldn't make the process any easier. Simply plug it into the 7-way port on your truck and beep, beep, beep. You now have an 80 decibel backup alarm keeping yourself and coworkers safe. Once you've clocked out for the day, just unplug the alarm, toss in the glove box, and you can drive on home with no concerns. But Jeff, I hear you asking, I still need to pull trailers around at work. Now I can't do that. Well, worry not, my friends, as this backup alarm also acts as a pass-through. Just flip up the port cover on the alarm, and you can plug in any trailer you've got to haul. No loss of features, and no extra wiring. So let's keep the workplace safe and the streets quiet with this week's feature product, the 7-way adapter with backup alarm from Reese Towpower. What's your solution for a backup alarm on your truck? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe so you can catch all the latest feature products. Have a great Canadian day.